Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Drive with the account that owns the content. Once signed in, search or navigate to the exact file or folder you want to protect. Make sure you actually own the file or have edit rights. Without ownership, some lock options won't appear. After confirming ownership, right-click the file and open sharing to begin changing access. This is where you decide who keeps edit access and who becomes viewer only. So act deliberately and double-check the listed collaborators. Now change permissions to convert collaborators into viewers or commenters. This removes edit capability. Once done, click the gear or advanced settings and enable the option that prevents editors from changing access or adding new people, which effectively locks sharing changes. Next, enable the option to disable downloading, printing, and copying for viewers and commenters to stop local copies. Make sure to apply changes to all listed users and folders when prompted, finish by verifying the lock. Use a secondary or incognito account to open the file as a viewer and confirm download/copy is blocked. Once done, keep an eye on version history to restore content if someone still edits. If the lock did not hold, make sure you actually own the file. Check if the file is in a shared drive with different policies, and consult your workspace admin for domain-level restrictions. That single troubleshooting step, confirm ownership and shared drive policy, fixes most lock failures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.